How to create a wealth fruit basket for the Chinese New Year celebration in the year of the wood snake. Creating a Feng Shui wealth fruit basket for the Chinese New Year, especially for the year of the wood snake in 2025, is a great way to attract prosperity, abundance, and good health. Here's the 12 step-by-step DIY guide and some essential ingredients in creating your own Feng Shui wealth fruit basket for the Chinese New Year. First, you have to choose a rounded basket made of wood elements, a round or oval-shaped basket to symbolize unity and abundance, and line it with red or gold fabric, and place a cotton underneath to enhance the auspicious energy, and incorporate it with symbolic fruits. Each fruit has its own Feng Shui significance, so include the following. 1. Oranges and tangerines represent wealth and good luck due to their round shape and golden color. Include 8 or 9, as these numbers are considered lucky in Feng Shui principles. 2. Pineapple, a symbol of prosperity, success, and wealth. Its spiky crown adds an element of growth and upward energy. 3. Apples signify peace, safety, and harmony. Red apples are especially auspicious for the Chinese New Year. 4. Grapes represent abundance and luxury. Include green or purple grapes for variety. 5. Bananas symbolize harmony and happiness due to their curved shape. 6. Pomegranates represent fertility, wealth, and an abundance of opportunities due to their numerous seeds. 7. Add wealth enhancers such as gold coins or gold Chinese ingots. These represents financial luck and prosperity. Scatter them among the fruits inside the basket with a grain of salt to amplify wealth energy. 8. Put some coins or money in a red envelopes such as hongbao or angpao, and place with a few symbolic amounts of money such as 8, 88, and numbers 168 denominations to enhance financial abundance. 9. Add fresh citrus leaves for health, vitality, and growth. Infuse the wood snake element, since 2025 is the year of the wood snake. 10. Add a decorative wood element such as small cinnamon sticks or a basket made of bamboo material. And 11. Include a subtle snake-inspired decorations like coiled ribbons or snake patterns to align with the year's energy. After gathering all the ingredients which symbolizes the 5 elements, arrange them with intention statements such as, I invite growth, abundance, and prosperity into my life. May my efforts bear fruit, and may wealth flow effortlessly into my home. In a way, arrange the fruits and decorations in layers, with larger items at the bottom and smaller ones on top. 12. Place a red or gold ribbon around the basket for an elegant finishing touch. The red ribbon is to ward off negative energy and attracts positivity, ensuring the wealth basket remains a source of prosperity and protection throughout the year. While wrapping the basket with the gold ribbon enhances the wealth-attracting energy of the items inside. You may use both since gold complements with red, creating a harmonious balance of fortune and prosperity. Then place the wealth fruit basket in the wealth corner of your home or office. The wealth corner of your home is typically at the southeast area or the far left corner of your house facing your main entrance. And ensure it is in a clean, clutter-free space to allow the flow of positive energy. This wealth fruit basket combines the 5 elements, wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, that represent fundamental energies that interact with each other to create balance and harmony in the environment with the energy of the year of the wood snake, setting the stage for prosperity and good fortune in 2025. And that's all, folks. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the art of energy and balance. Stay aligned, stay inspired, and let your quantum flow guide you to harmony and abundance. And let us celebrate the year of the snake with grace, growth, and good fortune. Until next time, let your energy flow and your spirit thrive. Be well.